How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to My Gardening Habit. I'm Rob Mayer, and today I just want to talk a little bit about what we've got going on. It's been a little bit since I made a YouTube video. I've done a couple things where I shot footage and just never really did anything with it, but kind of just been busy, and I feel like I've been neglecting YouTube a little bit. A part of that has been a lot of the footage I've been doing is basically for TikTok. Kind of started playing around with that back in January, February, and I was just doing that, just playing around a little bit with it. And I really like the fact that they've got so many songs licensed that you can put, you can put almost any one of your favorite songs to a video. So I really enjoy that. I've always liked, curating music for people, whether it's mixtapes in my early life, or mixed CDs, or just making a playlist that I think would be enjoyable during a party or something. So playing around over there has been cool. It'd be nice if the music could be even longer. The biggest problem with it is that the formatting of the videos doesn't marry up exactly with YouTube. YouTube likes to be shot on a wide angle, such as this, and TikTok is if your phone is straight up, because it's basically meant to be on a mobile device. So it's probably why I haven't put a lot of footage up from that. Some of it is that, like I said, they have a lot of music licensed there, and can't really bring that over to YouTube because they'll just take it down. So if you are interested, I highly advise checking that out if you're looking to get more up-to-date stuff, more current I guess uploads. Like I said, we're just having fun over there playing with that, and I plan to do some more longer form stuff on YouTube. I'm going to continue playing around with TikTok, and it would be great if you joined us over there too, but we are going to get busy here real soon with some YouTube stuff. Thinking about a couple different ideas for things to do on a regular basis. As you can see behind me, the greenhouse has pretty much taken off. It's late September, last day of September 2020, and yeah, we're gonna be starting to see some cold weather again soon. So the outdoor garden is pretty much done. I'm sorry I neglected doing any more garden tours over the summer. Again, I was really caught up just playing around with TikTok, making videos on there. So it's enough about that. But got some cool stuff. It's dark out now, so I really can't show you, but I did add some grow space to the aquaponics. I added 75 gallons of grow space, and a really cool tomato trellis that it got started late in the year, but we got some nice tomatoes off of it. We got some nice big Cherokee purple, and we've still got some basically some cherry tomatoes coming in on it now. I'm sure with the colder weather coming in, that's gonna pretty much come to a close though. And now that I've got it all installed, next year I'll be able to get started with the tomatoes growing a little bit earlier. And the plan is to have indeterminate tomatoes growing over top of this trellis that I can just climb up the ladder and pick down or trim when I need to. So excited about that. Gonna try to do some videos on some of the tools that we're using, whether it's a tripod or a gimbal or editing software, whatever it is, even a wheelbarrow, shovel, something, wheelbarrow, shovel, something that we're using around here, and some of the other items in the greenhouse over the winter. We're going to be just going over different plants that we've been playing around with. And the biggest thing that I'm most excited about really is I'm going to start building the next aquaponics system. So I've said it in multiple videos before that I've been talking about getting one together, and I've got some IBC totes ready. I'm still working on getting a couple other barrels for filters and everything, but pretty soon here, within the next week or two, I think we're going to start piecing that together, and yeah, it's going to be pretty awesome. I'm pretty excited about that. So hope you stick around and check some more out. And real quick before we go, I'll give you a quick tour of some of the stuff we got going on here. If you like some of the items that you see in the greenhouse, check out our Etsy shop. That's another thing we've been trying to put some time into. We're still really small. We're getting going with it though. It was a little bit of a learning curve, so still just kind of getting used to it and taking baby steps with it. But we definitely do have some stuff in stock that we're going to keep in stock. And yeah, I'll leave a link in the description. I'll also put a link to our link tree, and from there you can navigate to the website, all the social media platforms that we're on, and also our other site that we've got going on, My Traveling Habit. So check that stuff out, and yeah, we'll see you next time. Take care. So here's the trellis and new aquaponics. Again, it's dark. I will try to do another video maybe tomorrow and see if we can get something better with the light. Going into the greenhouse, you can see off to the left we've got, this is a 2-year-old Carolina Reaper plant. It's pretty much a big old bush now. We'd grown these in the ground last year, and they didn't do so well, but they were doing well enough that I figured that we could build a greenhouse around them, and we did. We got 2 of them. There's one over here, and it seems to have done pretty well. I'd say there's probably about 40 fruits, maybe more, on that one plant right now, and they're all pretty nice size. So we got a bunch of succulents that my mother-in-law dropped off last year, and I'm now the proud owner of. Just a bunch of different stuff that we've been playing around with. Some striped wandering Jew. Forget what the name of this is. We just got this. Alocasia. So it's pretty cool. I like it. Looks like a dragon tail or something. Bunch of snake plants. Some Christmas cacti. Philodendron. Little baby spider plants. Got some Monstera. We've been selling a bunch of those off Facebook Marketplace, and we had a little yard sale last week. And then we've just got a bunch of other little plants that we've been messing with. Gollum Jade, Raindrop Peperomia. I always forget the name. Little blue agave. Aurora Borealis. I don't know if this thing is supposed to stay low. It's been growing pretty tall. I know with a lot of succulents that actually means that it's reaching for something. I really enjoy the way that it looks right now, so not too worried about that. We've got plenty of them. Some Swiss cheese plants, some more spider plants, Letty setivaria, ZZ plants, some Tradescantia Nanook, a little cacti, some Blue Job's Tears, some more Echeveria succulents, got pineapple, and an avocado. We planted this directly into the ground because it was getting too big for one of our larger pots, and we're going to train it up the side and start to like bend it around to follow a beam over there. Then we've got a bunch of hanging plants, purple waffle, Christmas cactus, some more striped wandering Jew, variegated spider plants, purple heart wandering Jews. Whoop. Little repotting station. Got plenty of work to do. I've been eager to play around with this Haworthia. I posted a video a while back pointing out all the babies on them, and I just have not gotten a chance to get around to breaking it apart. I'm going to try to do that this weekend. Really nice peperomia here. So if you see anything you like, let me know. We will be selling more on Etsy. If you go there now, you'll see some of the things that we've got in stock are wandering Jew cuttings, striped and purple heart. We'll probably be putting up some of the Tradescantia Nanook, some spider plant babies, stuff like that. So we got some pretty good deals on those.